Welcome to the installation process of Pipedrive Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and then you click on it. Head over to Install and click on it. Then you head down to Allow and Install and click on it. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page and then you search for the custom page of the app and click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its features, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey with the app is in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the configuration walkthrough video that's going to walk you through on how to get the necessary credentials to complete your app setup. We have the setup feature. Let's get you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and you will be required a client ID and a client secret to complete your configuration. Copy the redirect URL and then you head to your account, which we've created online. Click on Create an App. Then you click on the Create Private App and then you give a name. You paste the redirect URL, which you copy right in here, and then you save. Then you toggle on all the necessary scopes and you save. Get the client ID. Switch back to your account, click on the Start Setup and you paste. Click on the Show Secret Key, copy the secret key and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. Scroll down and you click on Allow and Install. And there you go, your app has been successfully installed and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video session with the support team. And the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and then you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.